If you want a website that ranks on Google and pays you rent every month without an aged domain, without backlinks, without ever selling a product, watch this all the way through. I'm going to build the whole thing with you. Here's the promise. One small local website, a niche most people think is boring, ranked on a brand new domain with zero authority, then rented to one local business for $500 to $3,000 a month for leads they'd happily pay double for. No inventory, no staff, no ad spend. My name's Vlad. I'm an SEO operator, same as you. These days I've got 26,000 subscribers on YouTube and a community doing this together. But I didn't start there. I started ranking absolutely nothing, convinced my problem was that my domains were too new. So, I did what everyone says to do. I chased domain rating like it was the only number that mattered. I bought aged, expired domains hoping for a head start. I guest posted for backlinks I didn't even need. I went after big national keywords I had no business targeting. And none of it worked. The rankings never came because I was playing a game built for giant national sites. I was bringing a backlink budget to a fight that was never about backlinks. Here's what nobody tells you. For a local service search like concrete leveling in Buffalo, domain authority barely moves the needle. Google isn't ranking the biggest site, it's ranking the most relevant local one. That changes everything. Brand new domain, 0 DR, no backlinks, and still page 1 for local service searches. That's not luck. It's the entire method my community is named for. You win local on relevance, not on authority. So, I stopped chasing authority and built a system instead. It's called rank and rent. You build a small local site, rank it on a zero authority domain with the search gap method, then rent the leads to a local business. The site is the asset, the leads are the income. The full playbook lives inside the search gap method community. It's a school group where I teach the exact zero authority ranking method and this rank and rent build. But you don't need it to follow along today. I'm giving you the whole thing right now. You build on a fresh domain, which means you skip the months of link building everyone thinks they need, and you start ranking in weeks instead of quarters. You pick one high-ticket local niche so that a single phone call is worth $40 to $200 to the business renting from you. High ticket is the whole point. You own the site, not the client, giving you an asset you can rent, re-rent, or sell outright, instead of trading hours for a one-time project fee that ends the day you deliver it. The whole thing runs on a stack under $50 a month, without ever having to hire staff, hold inventory, or spend a single dollar on ads. Okay. Here's the entire build in 5 steps. Step 1, pick a high-ticket local niche. Step 2, build an exact match local site. Step 3, rank it on a zero authority domain. Step 4, capture every lead. Step 5, rent the leads out. Let's walk through each one, for real. Step 1, you're not picking a niche you like. You're picking one with a big ticket and motivated buyers. Use 2 quick filters. First, the job has to be worth at least a few $100s, so a single lead actually matters. Second, a local business has to already be buying leads on Google Ads or HomeAdvisor so you know a real buyer exists. I went with concrete leveling and hoarding cleanup. A concrete job runs $500 to $5,000. Hoarding runs $2,000 to $20,000. When the job is that big, one phone call is worth real money. Step 2. You build a small exact match local site. This is one of mine, Concrete Leveling Buffalo. The domain literally says the service in the city, so Google knows what it's about before it reads a word. Keep it lean, 1 clear location page, a few service pages, 1 per thing you do, an FAQ built from the real questions people ask, and click to call right at the top of every page. 10 good pages beat 40 thin ones every time. You can build this in a weekend. Step 3. You rank it on a domain with zero authority and no backlinks. Here's how. Match each page to the exact local intent. Add local business and FAQ schema. Get a Google business profile if you can. Then a handful of local citations. That's it. This Colorado Springs site runs the same playbook. You're not out muscling anyone. You're out matching them on relevance. Step 4. You capture every single lead. Someone with a sinking driveway or a house full of clutter wants to call right now, not fill out a long form and wait. So the phone number sits in the header, click to call on mobile, and a short form on every page. Put a tracking number on it so you can prove exactly how many calls the site sends. That proof is what lets you raise the rent later. A lead you don't capture is rent you don't collect. Step 5. You rent the leads out. You find the local business already paying for this work through Google Ads or HomeAdvisor, and you offer them exclusive leads from your site for a flat monthly rent, $500 to $3,000 a month, depending on the metro. Here's the move that closes it. Give them the first batch of leads free. Once they book a job or two off your calls, the rent is an easy yes. Or you go directory style, like this Ohio hoarding site, and rent listings to several operators at once. That's the whole build. And to be straight with you, this is exactly what I've done. 4 live sites, 2 niches built on this playbook. The mistake that kills most people: they build the site and never do step 5. They wait for money to show up instead of going and renting the leads. Don't skip step 5. So what's one of these worth? A single ranked site rented to one local business is $500 to $3,000 a month. That's not a fee you collect once. That's rent every month the site keeps ranking. Now, stack what it takes to get there. The search gap ranking method, the zero authority mechanics, the rank and rent playbook, the site templates and the schema. Bought as separate courses, that's easily a few $1,000s of training, and most of it wouldn't even be local specific. Here's where it gets good. You'd expect access to all of that to run $1,000, like most SEO courses. It's not 1,000. It's not 500. It's not even 100. The search gap method community is $27 a month. That's the whole price. And you're not doing it alone. Every week there's a live Q&A where I answer ranking questions in real time. Your niche, your site, your stuck page, that alone is worth more than the $27. You also get the template library, the community feed where members post their own ranking wins, and you're plugged into the Words at Scale newsletter, so you're never guessing what to do next. And there's no risk here. It's month to month. No contract, no lock-in. If it's not for you, you cancel in 2 clicks and you're done. I'd rather you stay because it's working, not because you're stuck. The only real pressure here is time, and it's not mine, it's Google's. Rankings build on a domain's age, and that clock only starts when you publish. Every month you wait is a month your site isn't ranking and isn't collecting rent. So if you want to build this with me, here's what to do. Click the link below this video. It takes you to the search gap method community. Join, start with the ranking method, then go straight to the rank and rent playbook. You can have your first site mapped out tonight. I'll see you inside. Here's everything you get when you join. The full search gap ranking method, the zero authority mechanics, the rank and rent playbook, step by step, the site and schema templates, the weekly live Q&A with me, and a community of people building the exact same thing. All of it for $27 a month, month to month, cancel anytime. One ranked site can pay that back 100 times over. Every month it stays on page 1. So click the link, join the community, and let's build your first rank and rent site. I'll see you inside.